given to tourists who visit the state of Meghalaya.
The United Democratic Party UDP on Friday convened the Central Executive Committee meeting to discuss the party's preparation for the Autonomous District Council election. Addressing the press, UDP working president and current MDC from Soara constituency, Titos Khan, informed that many constituencies have selected their candidates, adding that the party is prepared to contest the council elections. UDP has 8 sitting MDCs.
This is a continuation. But ketika sini ngayon akan literan ibu di tempat, bagaimana kaba kongsan ini create ke election ini kaba kumka parti di pan di report di district di papel bahkan setelah kalau baru di district kita apa hasil buat ada hills kasi pagkaya alam kung ba ano po persen. Tibabun di konsumsi kila ada kan jet di kandidat buat harga juga poru ke sitting MDC dan kung ba bangun buat kunjung na po jahil.
The public hearing held by the Meghalaya State Pollution